I'm Daniel from Jobber. Now that you've got your request form set up, it's good to test that your form makes sense before you set it to go live. Let's also take a look at what your clients will see when they're filling it out. To do this, you can copy the request URL from the Share link on social media section of the request settings and paste it into your browser. You'll see your company branding in the top left of the page. This is the logo you have added under Settings and Branding. Then you can see your client contact details, service details. Here, you can see how the customized sections of your form would be filled out. Fields that are not required show as optional. They would fill it all out and then click Submit. If this is a customer that you've previously worked with before and the email address that they've entered is already in a client in Jobber, they will be taken to the Client Hub where they can view the request. Otherwise, they will be shown a message stating that you will be in touch soon. The customer will also receive an email with a copy of the filled out request form. You can edit the message of this email under Settings and Templates. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to check out our Help Center.